I want to restore some old hand tools that are covered with rust. So I got this sandblaster from Amazon for about $35. There is not too much in the box. Sandblaster gun with the hopper, the pressure gauge, and two ceramic nozzles. I attached the nozzle to the gun. It came with no attachment to the compressor hose, so I had to borrow one from another air tool. Fill the hopper with sand. Unfortunately, no sand was coming out. I tried different blast media and closed all the gaps that air could escape from. What eventually solved the problem is closing the gap in the ceramic nozzle area. Under the nozzle, there is a small metal insert that for some reason was not pushed all the way down. I tried to hammer it into place, but there still was a small gap, so I decided to remove it completely. And to do that, I opened an Allen screw at the back of the device. And then with a long Allen key, I pushed the round metal insert outside. Clean it nicely and check if there is any more obstruction inside the gun after that. After that, I returned it into place where there was a small groove that needed to be aligned to the fitting inside the gun. Now, when I try to blast with any media, and I try sand, soda, and even salt, the gun blasts the sand flawlessly. In the case of these scissors, almost all the rough rust was removed from the exposed side.